Hello guys, how to fix the driver is full but there are no files in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and your hard disk is full but there are no files on Windows 11. You get low storage notification and your PC runs slow and crashed or occasionally. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is delete system restore point. Go to Windows search and type create a restore point into the search box and select the best match result, create a restore point. Here switch to the system protection tab, select local disk C and click configure. Choose turn on system protection. Click on OK, but before you should under disk space uses choose the option delete all restore points. Choose delete. You will not be able to undo unwanted system changes on the device. Are you sure you want to continue? Click on continue. The next workaround is go to File Explorer, open Windows C, choose its properties, and Windows C properties under go to Tools, error checking, click on check. You do not need to scan this guy. Choose a scan device and it will scanning your C drive. It will take some times. Wait for a while. The next workaround is again go to Windows search and here type disk cleanup, perform a disk cleanup, open disk cleanup, select cleanup system files, click on OK button. Next select other files you want to clean up under files to delete and click OK. Clean up system files, click on it and click on OK button to continue.